Shugor nakaslab jong udongsan Hima.
Kumshibenta ban ajing Sumar kabak hambha nakabentang kikna Kiba hapo khat pras nem karta khamtam kitu kibadan jingduna ki khot met kiba mlaj bha ban kren lani kiba kat ka Shyntur ya kibala jutip ru kum ka cleft lip lani cleft plate ka Ganesh Das Hospital haringkat ka jinge trailang bat ka Mission Smile na Guwahati lingba ka scheme Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram kila penlong dekat screening program kepala sedang nadu kalai potrik ukala lingkot arajar arpusau mat kepala penkot mentak kesengi kalai tarik urempang arajar arpusau haba ajing keren hagasngi penkot nakaliang ke medical superintendent jong ke Ganesh Das Hospital ke Dr. A Lingdo kalayathu baga jingtmu jong ke program kalong banyarap yikitu kibre kibadan kijingduna hakayo akakot bat ban Sumar yiki khun jongki bat ru ban pensuk yiki breu ke jela ban Sumar yiki kata kejat Jingpang namar kumma kalong minta haba ki breu ki lej ban Phah Sumar yaladi ni yiki khun jongki hakabe dei bat kene kejat Jingpang ki hab ban lej Phah Sumar shabar jong ke jela kumta hakabe dei bat kene ke jinge jongki pai ba khamtam ki badan yiki jing shitom kat Shyntur nakaliang ke Ganesh Das kala perkhat ban sedang no de kene ke lat ajing Sumar bat kadeka sin ka baar bala penlong kumta hagbai dei bat kaneka jinge jong ki pai ba khamtam ki badan yigi jing shitam kat Shyntur nakaliang ka Ganesh Das kala perkhat ban stang no daga ni kalan ajing Sumar bat kadei ka sin ka baar bala penlong yigi ne ka program ha ka baki break bawan ban le screening hagane ka kenti kala kot sha ka hnyo pu ndrengon bat ki ba sha Sumar ki dan san pusangun nakaliang ginong penyat ke Ganesh Das kila khot bat wer ye ki kime ki kpa ki badan ye ki khon kiba dan ye ke jat Jingpang bakin wan shakhmat naga benta ban yo ye ke jing Sumar nalor ke medical superintendent hagini ke snilawan ban senran langru de doktor bapher harengkat ki doktor jong ke Mission Smile na Guwahati
lailam khmati wan rap ke gini program place nor komno bagadan ke jing trilang kajong gani Mission Smile ka sarkar katran ka ko kya lingba gani RBS ke program ko bina ko mention akabang inyo ay to sa Sumar gani kilong khanna bina jenduna agit khotmat ba gani benta ko gani program ga dei ba kita ke bina jingkat Shyntur ni ga collect palette ka jingkat ani ka katiga ba shalor juga ti nata ka ba ar ni sotanat bali na marba lingba gani program ke breve joni hamtam ke bon ki longi long sam ki baduna ki yo ban ai yo ga jing Sumar ka ba khamda ga jing si dengan trepen sa yo ka jing batai shu kumno nakalian ju kini Mission Smile ka umdan long kam si nam ta ga surgery mo nam ta ni jing pod nakalian ju program ro ki yo ta jing Sumar ka ki yo ai ke bai ka li ki ban yalang bat kani ka program an ta ka ni ka sin nile lang ikhilong dikhna ke bapha ta na East Khasi Hills district hine ni ki district ka southwest ko West Khasi Hills east India ko west India garib hoy but hakane ke jinga trei ko lomba ka jingthmu he jogane program ko lomba kini ki khilong ki khenna badan ka hapren ka jing hanna ni ka jingduna khamtan ho dei ki jing shitom ka jong ki mon to ka kha lekin yo ta ka jing ka babit ka babyang ki on ka tin tharang mo ka tin no way to achieve the full potential ka jing long khanna ka ma ki yo ka jing mo bit babyang but kalong ka ka lat ka lintin ta ki ki pan tip ki pa habadon ki kon ko ne ki don ka jing kusai ne ba kadon ko ngani ka program ka kon ra ek ta ka jing shai ka jing ka chong ki ta ka ki yo ek ne ka jing yaram de ke ni ki ba sen ka ba ar binila le ek ne ka program ka da ai ki jing Sumar ka ban to ek ne ki khna ki barang ne jing shitom ha ka ni ka hospital jumi ha Ganesh Das Kami sultan apa nak kalian ke hospital ru ni le ka bala bangin ai kita ka support ni tengah jing kersan ya kini program ha bagi don I doctor Konsni belong pediatric surgeon the thing don ki complicated cases ka pun just to jana last year ru election mentalang lungi trailang pa Mission Smile bat kini ki mo to ni nong tre jang sarkar berkebahar ka ini rabu nak kalian ke hospital pengen ai kita kathia ai kini khilong ki khanna swak si shaban pot badla det pot ro ngila identify ya ko wat kengin boy kini ki khanna maka baar padengi ai si staff menyerap wat lagi ni ki wanyalang ya ki doktor ya ki nurse yaki anesthetist ni nakalian jungi ya ai lang ta jingkershan lingbar ka bagi ai kini ki staff na ta ba lai ka jingbang ni kini habaki wan haniru longba undang kam ta jingsil de hakan ga siang ga ba ar na perlo hagan sas kidan ko mahnu ko saumat ba ki screen yakini ki long khanda la pha nekini ki district ba phera but ni ni ko saumat la la ban le ba tak sambu saumat la la ban put eke de kita kya phomot thim la ban le ka ek bagi thumu na mar ba kidon kita ga jingpang ga jikshitom ki bam aila hagan ga sin ban le ka ta hre kandang ga jibot ke nakalang district kini si managers ba kini kari jungi na pok RBS ke berkum zoru nagalian ga missions mai bangindang ya ai kata ga agi ga jingbot din ha ka bakin sayo ban onlong ye ga ne ka jingthu bangin ai ka jing Sumar dina tharai kindia nya ko man yo soni Dr. Constin mai la tutre narawan sinin ko
na ko ni pediatrician ang po district early intervention center ng Ganesh hospital ko ban tip chapi bagani ka center na medical center ka bangi kita yang jingdon kam di situ di mana do dah kalau bukan kelasnya so hamni ni kita yang kita jingpang ki bangi ong ki 4 days no kita ki diseases bangi ong nanti ki deficiencies ki defects at birth kita kemudian kebadan ka jingduna kapor nadu dang khai ki but kita ki developmental delay but kita ki disability tika ni ka level bantalir away na ki kita ki jingduna ka me ka pha jo ikilong nadu dang kha kalong ko win na ki balong common bah na ki defects at birth ni kita ki jingduna ka department kabangi yo ibun akan di center kabangi lalum ki kat complicated kalong congenital heart disease kamu kemudian di sistem prong senam lalu kadang kan di yo kani ke sistem jong prong senam lu nilai yang tai MOU but di center sama kan crunch pangkatan menilai mainly na kita kani kila badan so ke bawan bahar ya nak kini ki tak di sistem yang berduna ke dekat kini kila badan sekiwai pada kita yang kini jing kedor ke jatuh ki panggil ya kata ya tai apa ki kani ka ni pai ki nong pang hospital so kini kila badan ki ba ngiyo kinong pang kibabon kilong na ni na center jong hi namar pa nadu dang kha ni let ki jaka ba khan kitu ki nurse ki doctors ba peti ki kilong nadu ba ki dang khan ki identify ye kini means ki lab ye kini ki cases so mas lab lawan la mangi ni center nang ta ni register ye ki nda kala de ka ta por ba ki let for surgery ni salum nang ta ni sa ai ka jing tep chikini ki Shyntur center kini buat Guwahati kini mission Sumar buyong ki sawan pelong ke camp kemugila ong buat pelong kani kadi kesin buat real buat hangi po Ganesh kadi kesin ke bah so baling dia kini ki defects at buat kalong kuwi kalong i ke burden ndi tang burden juga jingpang buat ke ka katai kalau we juga kilong kawai kalong ka klep la da pipet ne kin complete tang wa fini tang ka dor shabab re ki don ka problem ka feeding problem ka ki diru teng ki lelat no ki chup no nomor balai maka dan ketua jingpat han Shyntur and kawai dia kata ika jingkran jong ki doan dia long matron ban kran so la dangin le aku por bob yang gaza yu ki long hadin ba ki bon ki school drop out ro sakapor ka ban le ki ro long ka dadon ka por ya ka lep usually ni le apa ka drill banai but ika palit ki le hadin chisna ban chisna chitik so kita ki ek balong ka burden ya ki thanong kawai ka bang kwa ban pentip ban pensai ki ni pa kalong ba ki dei ban wan sakman la dadon kawai kalong bala dadon tam jong kan la yo i re dadon ka tu jong palit ka tengam nam yo i re kan kta dei ki din ki ka kta ka mala batai ka jingkran jong hi gen siam kin so le ran ban di school kawai kalong ba ni le ba ndai tang ya ndala ajar ni kata ka dari lai i kata ka jong siam re na tu ba shua ban kun ru kawai la ban batai ni ni ai ka jingkan su tho ki kimi kawai ndi tang ki kimi wa di paru nomor kani kala ban ni ki jeans jindi dawai jong ki kimi ka ba kimi tu i doktor kala ban ni ru na kimi ki jinguna jong vitamins kam tam tau folit bang yong no so kawai kalong ba ka ban pen su tho i ki bre ba ki don ki la dia daru ndi ko ong ba la ai blame ta re ki don ki la dia da ki pen su tho i ki ba kinong bon ki cases hadin bon re wala da ki dan ru kumbang ida ong kata ka jingerap ka ki ai kalong ba ka jingerap kalong ka ba free of cost and ki pa kan dalam kam tu stress Guwahati reta hanya nasional la ban yo ke jama
conduct ke ne kam kam dei ke sen mon kom mon tam ong mon ke dei sen wa ngam don ni e ta leng junga mon ban ai shu la ni ban keren palat men ke ai gila da keren lagi dan riwayat na pilih main mana tang punya banyak penuan yang kayak begitu mungkin bikin bukan long gua kebajak kan tak tahu yang nanti
pon tadi ba ini program tadi mentua ba tadi under the BSK program no Rush Tria Bal Swasthya कार्यक्रम ini program tadi kaban mentua ba ki khlung ba po khat pasnen kiyo ya ka Sumar ne kiyo ya ta ka Sumar ni jongki halimba ne program kawai na kita ki Sumar ka de ni ka clef lip but clef palit tingni ki Sumar ne ba ka jero ni ber na po ka ni ka BSK program lemmat ka ni ka mission smile ke kani ka program ro de kawai ka ba kwa ba brio ki tip ba kadan ko ni ba ki brio ki tip ba ni ai ke jingera pro ya kini ki brio ni klung ba po hat rasna ki bapang ya kani ka clef palit but clef palit ni ba ka catch to ba shi rom ta ke mentang su ai la di sa dipul malakat ai kat kum ka program ko ba ya kini ka something about mission smile
told that it is a multiple problem associated with the child in the face. There is a cleft in the lip and palate, and sometimes patient has a very minor form or sometimes it's a very major form. So this patient incidence is 1 in 750 live birth. If you see in a hospital a live birth 750, there is always one cleft patient is there. But somehow these patients are not coming to the society because deformities in the facial side, so it is not acceptable in the society. And finally, patients will stay away from the society, and we are losing a major productive human resources from that point of view. And one thing I want to mention that most of the health policies are regarding, they are diverted to the life-saving diseases, fatal diseases like congenital heart diseases, like pediatric emergencies, like pediatric cancers and all these tumors. So in the cleft lip patient never dies. So that's why they are low priority at first. So that's why silently this number of cleft cases build up in the society, and finally we are in a situation here that there is a 3,000, 4,000 number of cleft cases find it out. Usually these are not today's product, this is a pending up because of we do not have the expertise enough in to do this type of cases. However, most of the surgeons are busy with the other diseases, so they do not get the time to treat the cleft also. So cleft need a comprehensive approach, like the pediatric care, surgical care, then after that speech therapy, then after that we need dental care. So lots of care is need in the same roof. So we are fortunate to have in the Ganesh hospital doing all these things, and hopefully we will do again another few cases of every year we will come, and we will do a permanent solution for it by building up some training and resources developing in this area, so that local resources can be utilized for treating the cleft children for a permanent solution. So we are looking for that, but it is not going to do in a one day, but it will come up very gradually. So when a child born with a cleft, there is a very much psychological problem in the family. So they have all the shuttered. Everybody is expecting a very good-looking child in their family. So once a cleft children born, their mentality is always down. Then furthermore, most of the child abandoned. So this is another come to the social problem. Then there is already pediatrics man told that there is a difficulty in feeding and all this, and it goes into a malnutrition. So malnutrition is a big problem in India, and especially in the cleft. Because of malnutrition, lots of cleft patients dies in the first year of life. So that's why we need to treat the cleft patients at the due course of time. And furthermore, if the cleft patients survive, there is a difficulty in communications because they cannot speak properly. And without the speaking to the society, without revealing themselves in the society, someone life is not a like life. They are living like in a
in a situation that they are cannot share their things, their feelings, like that they are not like a human beings at that point of time. So if we can treat the patient early and they can be rebuilt in the society, it's very good. So usually we need 3 or 4 surgeries, not in a single surgery we cannot treat. So initially at the 6 months of age we do the lip repair, and after that at the 1 year of age we do the palate repair. This is the basic 2 surgeries. After that there are some additional surgeries required where the split gum part we need to treat it. We need to put the bone in over there and we need to make it continuous. So after that also there is a very big deformity in the nose. So we have to correct the nose nasal deformity. So besides surgery, after that we have to follow up the children up to the 15 years or 16 years so that child can speak very nicely. In between sometimes problem may arise. So we have a good teamwork is required, constantly monitoring the child till child go to the adult level. So and it's very much in the class children because of lack of communication, lack of friendly to the child because of this deformity. So my request everyone that please, if you convey the message that this cleft lip and palate can be treated with surgeries. Now it is no more myth, and it is not like the curse of some god that someone has to live with the cleft lip palate. No. So it's a deformity. It's developed because of some environmental factor. There are some nutritional deficiencies like folic acids, or there is some maternal diseases during the childbirth, or there is some taking medication which is unprescribed, over the counter taking medication accidentally, because of their other reasons also, because of genetic or familial reason also there, cleft might occurs. But however, if cleft problem is developed, we immediately have to come to the hospital. We can take the treatment like that. So thank you very much.